Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how easy it is to set up a WordPress website in Hostinger. So you can see I am already logged in my Hostinger account. If you don't have a Hostinger account or don't have any purchase plan, you can uh, purchase a hosting plan. I have already purchased one. Uh, so let's after logging, you can see like a dashboard like this. Now go to the menu website and website list. You can see I already have a lot of website installed. Here you can see a button add a website. Let's add, and you can see there are three options. One is WordPress, another Hostinger builder site, and another is empty or PHP or HTML website. You can upload anything. But for WordPress website, I will go with WordPress. Okay, now you can see there is a dashboard option, setup option. You can click next. You can save your password from here. It is auto generated. I am not saving it. If you want to save it, you can keep it in another place, or you can set a new password here. Let's go next. Okay, there are two options. If you want to set up a pre-built website or themes, or you can also create a website with AI. But I will create a blank site. Let's create a blank site here. For now, I don't want to assign any domain here. I will use temporary domain. So click temporary domain. It will take 1 to 2 minutes for setting the whole site. So wait patiently. Okay, now it's done. It's redirecting me to the dashboard. Okay, now you can see the dashboard, WordPress dashboard. You can log in your website directly from HPanel. You can go to website list and go below. You can see here is the name of the site, and then you can directly log in from here. You don't need to put any password or email. You can directly access the admin from here. I already logged in, so I don't have to do it now. Okay, let's set up other things. By default, Hostinger installed 4 plugins for you, but you don't need all of this. You just need to delete it. Hostinger AI and Hostinger tools. You can also delete it. Light speed cache, I keep it disabled when I in development mode, because I update too frequently. So it's better to keep it deactivated in development mode. For Hostinger easy onboarding, I think it's have some relationship with direct login from here, so I keep it like this. So that's it, and now you can easily install any theme or plugin and start developing your site instantly.